Alright, y'all. So, I know it's been a while since we uploaded, and I plan to change that up, you know what I'm saying? Start uploading a whole lot more. But I just had the worst idea for me, but best idea for y'all. And this challenge is not something light, but it's something that I think y'all enjoy. Now currently, Jay's at work, so Clipper finna do something, y'all, because we gotta start uploading more, you know what I'm saying? I think we've been lacking and slipping, so I feel like it's time to bring y'all some fire and some heat at my expense. So Ash, get it, man. Alright, so currently we're in the cribbo. And the idea I had was, well, I like to call it the whatever in your fridge smoothie challenge.
Bruh.
I'm gonna let that sink in. So, whatever in my fridge, I'm gonna throw it all in a blender, throw some water in it. Well, I guess I'm gonna need to, because it's pretty much basically liquids, and drink it. Now, I'm pretty sure I am gonna throw up. I'm pretty sure of that. But this is for y'all. Some views, you know what I'm saying? Some challenges, some uploads. So, let's see what we got in the fridge, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Alright, y'all. Y'all see we got some Spatalian dressing, you know what I'm saying? That's going. What's it? Some more Italian. If I can get some of that in there, I'm gonna try. We got some cheese, you know what I'm saying? A couple eggs, you know what I'm saying? We know we got the milk, you know what I'm saying? We got some jam right here. Y'all already know that's gotta go in there. Shouts out to the old challenges, shouts out to Jay, you know what I'm saying?
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark cold hotel and the endlessness.
Throw some peanut butter up in there. Some hot sauce, you know what I'm saying? Killing myself. Like my brothers. Some of this right here, you know what I'm saying? That's the best dressing in the world. Some of that distilled white, you know what I'm saying? Some of that right there, you know what I'm saying? Just, you know, some apple slices, you know what I'm saying? Just whatever in here, I'm gonna try to. Alright. So that's that, you know what I'm saying? Let's get to it. Alright, as y'all see, we got all the goodies right here, you know what I'm saying? We got the blender, got the hot sauce, we got everything we need right here. And we just gonna crack it open and put everything in the blender. Alright, let's go. Alright, y'all, this is honestly how you make a grown man cry. Right? Cool little 2 eggs. When I say whatever in the fridge, I mean whatever.
Whatever.
Whatever. Alright, y'all. Screwing the top on. Screwing the top on. Making sure we secure. Don't nothing come out of the top. Hey, it's a copyrighted song. Y'all can't take it. Alright. We plugged up, yeah. Alright. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is for y'all, you know what I'm saying? This is strictly for y'all. This is the most stupid thing I probably have ever done before in my life. But y'all see all the contents? See the apple, the jam, everything is in there. Y'all ready? Let's get it. I'm terrified. Alright, y'all, you say we done. Had to go grab the double cup codeine. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? If we gonna drink this, we gotta drink it in style. You know what I'm saying? We gotta make every rapper proud. Grabbing a double cup. You know what I'm saying? Double cup, double cup. I'm pretty sure this smells so bad. I'm pretty sure this smells so bad. Wow, I just adjusted to the light. I'm like that, you know what I'm saying? Get it like these then, like these. Get it like these. Trying to adjust to the light. I'm in a good position because it's just me, you know what I'm saying? So I can't really, you know what I'm saying? So I can do it like these, set the light up this way. This way. I can set the light up like that. Then will it? I think that's better, you know what I'm saying? That's a lot better. Yeah, I think that's better. Alright. Because right here, y'all, you know what I'm saying? This is not a game. I'm screwing the cap right now. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh, it smells so bad. Oh, oh my gosh.
What is that? What is that? What is that?
Alright. Got the trash can on deck, you know what I'm saying? It's just me. And this is for y'all. So let's get it. I'm not pouring a lot in there. Oh, got chunks in it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Set that to the side. All right. Sure, we got this thing on me. You know what I'm saying? these. And then we got the double cup. You know what I'm saying? The best part about it is it's double cup.
I got 2 cups. Yeah. I got 2 cups.
Y'all gonna try to swallow it? I'll try to swallow it. I'm trying to swallow it though. Oh, so nasty. I'm trying to swallow it. Hold on. You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to swallow it.
You stupid.
They're not.
Oh, worst idea of my life. I was stupid. I'm never doing that again. Jay Lucky wasn't here. Goodbye.